What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Got me some TORRAS U Pro case here that they sent to me. These two are pretty much the same, it's just they're different colors. So anyway, they did send this one to me and they are the sponsor of this video, so I want to thank them for that. So yeah, I got iPhone 15, the titanium black. So yeah, that's the color that I got for the 15 Pro. So let's go ahead and take a look at these cases. Brand new to the market. I believe by the time this video comes out, iPhone 15 have already been on the market for like a week or two already. Okay, so this one right here is kind of had a tint blue on it. So you can see in the camera right there, the reflection on this is also blue. The corners are all blue as well. Now let's take a look at the other one. This is all black. So as you can see right there, it's all black here. This transparent backing on the blue right here, I think it's the same as the black one. I don't think it has any tint of blue on there at all. Anyway, they both feel really good in the hand. All right, let's test them out. I'm gonna go black with black. So I got a black phone, black case. Yeah, fits very well in there. It seems to be pretty easy to put in and take off because the rubber on the side right here is pretty flexible. I mean, if you can see right here, yeah, this is pretty flexible. The only thing that's stopping it is this kickstand right here, which, by the way, let's talk about that. The kickstand right here comes all the way down. So if you were to hold it like this, this is the tallest that it will stand right here. You go down if you want, and obviously the important one is that you go on the side right here. So you can go on the side, you can go down a little bit more. This thing is strong enough for the iPhone 15 Pro that it'll hold it up even if you go way down like this. Now here's the thing though, it does kind of snap in, so as soon as you get to a certain point right here, you see that? It snaps itself in so that it doesn't dangle, right? Now let's try it on the blue. Pretty easy to take out and drop in. Yeah, pretty easy. Here's the black on blue right here. It actually looks pretty good. I like it. As you see, there's a brand on right there, the TORRAS on the back there, and then there's a T brand right over here. Yeah, that blue looks good on the black. I actually think I should keep this. Oops. So yeah, the hinge works the same. No issue there. Now, this is one of those hinge where it stays put, right? So what that means is that when it comes to MagSafe, let's say you want to use a MagSafe accessory like a battery or something like that, it has the little magnet down here where it keeps the battery in place so it doesn't turn. You know what I'm saying? So these are great right here. Let's test it out on a charger. So here's the charger that I have been using. See how strong the MagSafe is. Yeah, pretty good. Now here's the thing, check this out, okay? So this charger right here for me is pretty standard. If you look at this, you see how it fits exactly on the charger right there. Let me see if I can get that closer. Yeah, you see how it fits exactly on the charger. Yeah, I think this case is exact fit to the MagSafe charger. All right, so there you go, guys. That's the TORRAS case with the kickstand, blue and black. Which one do you like the most? I don't know. I'm gonna swap it out and see. Might use one week and one another week. Anyhow, that's for me right there. I'm out. Bye.